Hi everyone. This is my presentation on bullying and classroom management. The bullying definition. There are different types of bullying, direct and indirect. Direct bullying is bullying that occurs in the presence of targeted youth. So that's when they are directly talked about, like to their face. And indirect could be something like a rumor and is not directly to them. Different types of bullying, like I said before, direct and indirect. There are categories under both. There's physical, verbal, relational, and damage to property. Cyberbullying is one of the most growing types of bullying in schools today. It's mainly verbal because it all happens. It's never face to face, and the victims are being hurt with words, not physical actions. Prevalence. So these are just some statistics. Between 1 in 4 and 1 in 3 U.S. students say they have been bullied at school. Most bullying happens between middle school and high school, but mainly middle school. And there's a growing awareness now of bullying in schools. Here are some fast facts about bullying. In 2017, about 20% of students ages 12 to 18 reported being bullied at school during the school year. And that's, again, just during the school year, so who knows what goes on in the summer and everything. Of students ages 12 to 18, about 13% have reported being subject of rumors, which would be the indirect bullying that we talked about. 3% reported are being made fun of, called names, or insulted. That could be direct or indirect. Like I said before with cyberbullying, it could be either one. 5% of they're reported being pushed, shoved, tripped, or spit on. 5% reported being excluded from activities on purpose. Here are some more statistics. 33% of students who reported being bullying at school indicated they were bullied at least once or twice a month during the school year. A slightly higher portion of female than male students reported being bullied at school, 23% versus 19%. In contrast, a higher percentage of male than female students report being physically bullied and threatened with harm. Bullied students reported that bullying occurs in the following places: hallway, stairwell, 42%, inside the classroom, 34%, in the cafeteria, 22%, outside of school grounds, 19%, on a school bus, 10%, and in the bathroom or locker room, 9%. So how does this affect what we're learning in classroom management? In the previous slide, it stated that 34% of bullying happens in the classroom. I think it's geared more towards middle and high school, but in elementary school, it can happen too. In elementary school, it usually happens outside the classroom, but this could affect the way the classroom community is and just how everyone is around each other. It could affect morning meeting, who says good morning to the same people. So I think it's important that we, as future educators, make sure to keep this in mind. And I think it's really important that we are able to be an ally for those students so we can know what's going on in our classroom.